This is a new one.
You want to?
No, the next one is a new one.
Okay, so it's videotaping. Jesus. Oh. Sure you got it? Why are you holding it like that?
Me?
I like this.
So let's be very careful. Oh yeah.
That's a big boy. Oh, look at that over there. Can you hold it, Nora? Yeah. That guy just fell off. I told you there was a bunch. So
This
what
is
is that?
all new built, Sienna.
Oh, brand new. What is that orange
It's a full
stuff?
frame. You see the honey on the side? That's
Yeah.
all honey. Then these little things sticking out a little bit, Nora, you know that those are
What
drone
things?
cells. Here, sorry. These,
Oh, those
I
little
believe
bumps
these are
there?
coming bump a little bit more out. These ones, I think they're drones. That means drone baby being raised.
That means we
They're a little different than the one you saw before. Those were regular brood, like baby bees. So we have drones, we have queens, and we have worker bees.
Perfect.
And this is honey, and we saw a lot of liquid. You see still, this is the nectar.
What is he carrying on his leg?
Pollen. Pollen
Aw.
comes from a flower. These are drone.
Which one is carrying the pollen? Is that a drone right there? Too. Look, I see a drone.
Drones have big connected eyes.
See the eyes, Sienna?
Yeah, this is a drone
ton
here.
of drones. And right
The
there.
drone frame. But hey, this is a new
Look, Nora, look at that guy.
frameless comb, totally grown out. Look at this.
Look at all the drone cells.
Beautiful, drawn straight down. So I'm happy what I'm seeing, and I don't see many beetles.
Is this the end?
And I want to give him a break now.
We're probably gonna have to inspect it. Do you want me to grab you the other queen separator? Can I pick up that comb there? Sure. Let me pass it to you. Here you go. Don't damage it though, because we're gonna smear it. Feel? Smell it?
Okay, so what we're gonna do is you want to squeeze them away.
Take it. So they're squeezed
Oh,
together.
we're missing one.
What do you mean? Oh yeah. Do you want me to grab it?
Yeah, but I can grab it. It's on the side, right?
Yeah. Is the smoker done? Should Sienna refill the smoker?
Hang on. We need. This was the outside one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. Just need to put them all together. If you want to refill the smoker, yeah.
Sienna, you want to refill it? Sure. Yeah, I'll grab it for you. Just get off first.
I'll give it. Go down and then.
Go down, Sienna. I'll hand it. Now, get it, Sienna.
Here.
Take it. Sorry.
It's very good. I have not enough space here for these guys.
How do you take this off? Take that thing? Yep, you're doing it right. Pull it hard. Yep.
Way more space.
Make sure to take out all the black stuff first.
This is also new drone. Do you see that? It's
What?
nice.
Oh, yeah.
But
Look, they're
guys-
making like a chain. Do you see the chain?
Yeah. I should smoke them off here a little bit. I had the same challenge last time by adding this one. Go away, sweeties. I'd like to guess them away.
Sienna, hurry up with the smoker.
It's good.
That's
Close
good.
it.
Close it.
Put a little bit more fuel in and close it. Come on. No, it's good. Just put some more leaves in.
More
Palm
leaves.
And then just close it and bring it back. A little bit more.
Sienna, we already ripped a ton.
We actually can use this one. So. Okay, Nora. These ones.
Do you want me to bring your new
Just gonna
concoction?
Can they redo it? I mean, they're still usable.
What about your new concoction?
You mean the CD?
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do now is like.
Squeeze them.
Oops, sorry. You can hear it sometimes when you squeeze it. I know. I need the smoker. Bring it. It's
Sienna,
good.
bring the smoker. It's fine.
No, it needs to lit on fire.
I think we can
It
by
is
winding
lit.
it. It's okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, Sienna, close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. Bang it with the thing.
That's
Hard.
good. I can handle it from here. Let's bring it
Okay,
up.
Sienna,
Good
bring it
job,
up.
actually. Here. Good. Look at that.
Put it up here. Did I do good?
You can hold it there. Yeah. You
Hey, Nora, can I
did
please
really
go
good.
next to him? But you've seen this before. I haven't.
Here, you can go on the side of me.
Okay, so I need to have a little. You got a little down here, guys.
Oh,
Right
this
here.
hurts.
Where?
That guy.
No, he's not. He's just pushing his butt. Straight in his hurt. Wow, they all went away.
See, they went away. See, do. Let me go down. So you want to go away from the.
Yeah, move it.
So together in the middle.
Just pushing me.
Okay. So I think I have a good distance on the sides and they're all together. Now we'll be putting the straps back on. Oh, there's a beetle right there.
Kill it.
Yeah, I think
Look, he's killing a beetle. Oh,
Oh,
I
you
missed it.
burnt him.
What did I do?
This guy's burnt.
Some beetles, there's always some toss up.
I thought you wanted to replace the beetle kit.
Yeah, actually.
They're fine now. Well,
they're
I
fine.
mean,
Hi, beetle. So, the CD I'm going to add down there. So now separator.
see.
Want to get them away from the edges.
Right here. You want me to grab the roof?
Not yet. The roof's the last thing.
You still have to add the supper, remember, Sam? So thirsty. If you want, you can go. No.
We're almost done. Stay with us. So now we're going to go inspect the supper.
But you kicked some of them out.
Let's go down, girls.
They can go back
They
in.
can go up here.
Yep. Now we're inspecting the supper, Sam. Can I, maybe you can set up the phone now. Can we take our hoods off?
Can you make a video? No.
Okay.
No way. Okay, it's off now.
It's our first
Can I
time
just
looking.
sit down here, Dad?
Yeah. It's our first time looking at these.
And I'm going to go for the middle one because I know they're starting in the middle more. Separate them a little bit. I don't know how to get it.
Hello, little bees. There is some honey in there.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they started.
There is some
Good.
honey.
The action has started. This is the honey we're going to harvest. Look at the pollen. Do you see the pollen, Sienna?
Oh. Yeah, see the red things on
So
him?
these are all bees, worker bees. Good.
That's all for us, Sienna. That's our honey.
That's what I wanted to see. Really good. You have it on video?
Yep. It looks more golden than anything. Probably because of the flow rings, but
So I think my prediction that we're ready for first harvest in July is still possible. So now on the sides is always the slowest, right?
yeah.
And this one, I want to just do one smoke.
Oh, do you want me to refill?
Would you mind?
Yeah. Can I sit here, Dad?
Got it? You don't touch, yeah, that's why you touch it, nowhere else.
Shoes, gloves on anyways.
So,
Oh, Jesus. I just stepped on that bee.
I did.
No, I just sit.
Okay, Nora, so see, there
Nothing.
is some stuff
Oh.
happening.
Those are the things I was wondering what those were. That's just the start of it? Is that the beetle one?
Let me bring that comb you took off there, that little
Yeah.
piece of comb.
It's not
Remember
that big.
what Cedar did? Little
Yeah.
bit this. And just did it. I know. You guys don't like this.
What if there's eggs in that?
X what?
In that?
So. And this is going to be where the window is so we can see it.
Oh, cool.
So I want to give them peas and putting them pretty much quick back again.
Did we check one more of the middle ones, Dad?
Middle ones?
Yeah. Which one did we check last?
This one's really short.
It is?
Yeah. Yeah, they're cool. I can see it. I don't want to disrupt. Look down here.
Cool.
Yeah. And look, I'm happy. That's probably good. Oh, really good, Sienna. All right.
Well, we don't really need it anymore, but.
No, we do actually do when you put
Oh,
that up.
yeah.
So,
Is it good?
perfect.
Oh, frick.
Only thing that needs to be closed. So, see, they need to come down here. Like, you know. So Nora, let's turn off video. I need you to smoke. Make